So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your small block Chevy Alternator. It's pretty simple. The first thing you want to do is pretty much pop your hood. Yeah. So now you need to locate your alternator. Our alternator is on this side. Your alternator is this. It looks like this. It should favor this. Yep. So the first thing you want to do, disconnect your battery, because safety first. And once you get your battery disconnected, you want to unplug the wiring harness. And be careful, these plugs can be brittle. Just like so, and that one's burned up.
That's how come your alternator's whining.
Yeah, my alternator's been overcharging, you can tell. And then next step you want to do is move these hoses out of the way.
7/16 nut on it.
And take off this nut. Once you get that, you need to loosen this up and this, and you can remove the bolts all the way out and remove the belt. Just stay tuned. Sometimes them bolts can be a little tight. Yeah. Yeah, and be careful not to lose your bushing, your spacer, pretty much behind the alternator, and keep up to where your bolts go. And that back wire right here is a 3/8 nut on this alternator. I don't know what it will be on yours.
There's your bushing.
Yeah, I think this alternator seen better days. But we got the new replacement alternator right here. And ready to go. Now once you get that, you want to pretty well tighten your bolts with your new alternator on. Now we are actually converting this alternator to a 4-pin from the 2-pin. That will be on another video. But once you get that, you can go ahead and plug your alternator in and hook up your hot wire here and reconnect your battery, and you should be done if you're replacing it with a stock alternator. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.